What's going on, guys? Everyday Andrew back with a brand new video, and I hope you guys are having the best day that you guys could possibly ever have. In today's video, we will be plane spotting. Because guess what? There's a plane landing right there. I do not know what's... Okay, it's landing at BWI. BWI, which is Baltimore, Washington International Airport, is over that way, way over that way. We are going to be plane spotting in Baltimore on the top deck of my grandparents' house. So that plane that we just saw was an American Airlines going from ORD, which is in Chicago, I think, which is O'Hare, and it's landing at BWI. And I'm not sure if I just said it, but it's American Airlines. Guys, so there's a Southwest over there, right there, landing at BWI. So there's a plane over there in the distance. And it took off from Philadelphia, going to BWI. And that's only about a 24-minute flight, so that is a really short flight. I do not know what the point of that flight would be. Just drive that 90 minutes. But I understand if you're trying to catch a flight that does not take off from Philadelphia, that takes off from BWI. I understand that. Guys, there's a plane right up there going into the cloud. That one is an American. That one is taking off, well, that one took off from LGA, which is in New York, LaGuardia or whatever. And it's going to DCA, which is in Washington, D.C. It's about to appear. Well, it should appear. Actually, it will appear out of that cloud. I have no clue where it is. Southwest, right over there. Sacramento to BWI, Sacramento, California. There's a helicopter right there. I think it's landing at the helipad, because the helipad is like over there somewhere. And there's another helicopter over there. So guys, I hope you guys did enjoy. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on those post notifications to see more plane spotting videos. Especially at home, they're also lit, but here it's just a whole nother level of litness. But yeah, sometimes, well, a lot of the times you will see them taking off too and landing too, but today it's just a whole bunch of landing. Oh, there's one way over there taking off, like way over there. Looks like a tiny dot. Oh look, there's one over there. It's over that way. But yeah, this video was really fun to make because I really love planes. If you guys did not see the video that I made yesterday, make sure to go back and check it. But yeah, anyway. Peace out.